for how much food they give it to you. If you eat a lot, it's like worth it.
Is it like seafood?
Is it like a buffet, or can you literally?
No,
just
it's a
eat
barbecue
whatever?
place. It's they give you the food to barbecue.
Oh, wait, that's so
It's one of
fun.
the places where like the barbecue's on the table.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I wanted to do that.
Yeah.
Guys, we should
It's
class
called
field trip go.
Bokoki.
Like, class bonding.
It's Bokoki. Is it? Is what I call it?
Something would happen though, Addison. I'm not kidding. I think we should go. We'll do that on Friday, and then we'll go to Halloween Horror Nights. It's down. If
All
you
right.
pay for my ticket, it's down.
Okay. Can somebody tell me the questions? Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up. So,
Deborah, I feel like you'd be really scared.
where's the question? Oh, there is a question. Okay. So I'm gonna take this question and I'm gonna post honest notability. Create new notes, import. Okay, so with this question, I just need to make sure that I understand where the breaking point is, and I'll show you what happened on Desmos. So, so here, let's start with the question: is a where is the breaking point is at? Yeah, can you tell me where the breaking point at? Take a guess.
One.
Okay, that's a good start. And what? Also, there's one more.
-1.
-1. Thank you, Deborah. You're helping our friend. That's good.
Oh.
Okay, so here's the thing that you can figure out. It says, okay, so let's go with limits x, not x, yeah, x approach to. I'm gonna start with -1 from the left side. Which equation I'll be using here? Yes, Deborah.
Is it the sorry, the -3m plus
Yeah, why would you use that equation?
because it's x is less than or equal to -1, so you're gonna put -1 from like the left side. You have to use that equation.
Okay. Mia, do you understand?
Yeah.
Can you maximize the screen?
Oh, my bad. Is that better? Okay. And this is gonna be this one is gonna be x to the q k is equal to limits as x approach -1 from the positive side. In this case, the positive side is gonna be what? Okay, no, I'm gonna ask Mia here. Mia, -1 from the positive side. Which one I'll be using?
I'm sorry.
Mx minus 2k, good. Mx minus 2k. Okay, and then I'm gonna approach, well, x approach to 1 from the left side. So which equation I'll be used, Devin? Yeah.
From the left.
From
Here.
1 from the left.
X squared minus kx.
No. Deborah's gonna help you out. Mx minus 2k. Okay. Is equal to limit x approach to 1 from the positive side. Okay, Devin. 3x squared minus kx plus m. Good job. So now this is the first statement I'll create because they have to equal each other, right? So I'm gonna plug in -1 here, so it'll be -3m. So if I plug in -1 here, that's gonna give you a -4. Why? Because -1 times -1 times -1 is gonna be negative. 4k is equal to -1m minus 2k. Did I mess up anywhere? It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna plug in 1 here, so it's gonna be m minus 2k is equal to 3 minus k plus m. So now it comes to the system equation. I'm gonna simplify. I'm cleaning everything up. So I'm gonna add 3m on both sides. I'm gonna get 2m because I had 3m on both sides. And then I am gonna move the 2k to the other side, so it'd be plus 2k, so it'd be negative 2k. So m is equal to negative k. Questions here for the first one. Usually it's substitution, usually it's elimination, but in this case it's substitution, but you can subtract m on both sides. So that is gonna give you, that's equal to what? This m is gonna subtract each other, so minus m on both sides. So that's gonna be, I'm at plus 2k on both sides, so it'll be k. And if I move the 3 to the other side, it's going to be minus 3. K equal to minus 3. So if you plug in negative 3 in here, so m is equal to a negative times negative 3, that's equal to 3. And that's equal to this. Does this make sense? Usually it's elimination, but this is the case just a simple substitutions. Just solve equations. I think creating statement is more important than everything else. The rest of them just your algebra skills. If your algebra skills are on par, then you should be able to finish the question. If your algebra skill is missing, elimination or substitution, it's going to help you on SAT. Question about this part? You understand? Are you sure? Okay. So what we're going to do is, can somebody remember that equation? I'm going to type in on decimal to show you if that's true, and this is how do you check on decimals, that equation right there. So can you, it was a 3x squared what? Minus kx plus m, okay, plus m. And then we're gonna add a slider, and then we're gonna have the brace. So what does a brace says? X is what?
X is greater than or equal to 1.
Greater or equal to 1, like this? Okay, what's the next equation?
X minus 2k.
Mx minus 2k, okay, minus 2k. That's gonna be like this, and then I'm gonna have a brace.
And it's negative 1.
Negative 1, less than x, less than what? 1. So that's obvious. You see that breaking point, it's not continuous. And then what's the next one?
Negative 3m plus 4x cubed.
Negative 3m.
Yep.
And then what?
Plus 4x cubed.
4x cubed. Okay, okay. And oops,
Wait, the k.
k is right here, right? And then what is the restriction? X is less equal to negative 1. Thank you. X less than equal to negative 1, like this?
Negative 1.
Okay, so obviously you see this 3 line is not connected, and if you play these things, it's only one possible chance they can be connected. And then, so we figure out k is equal to what? Negative 3? And m is equal to 3, right? And you see this? And that's how you check your answers, see if it's continuous. I thought it was really cool for students to see it visually. And that's very, very important for students to see. Okay, this particular question, any question here? Okay. So yeah, so this is a function that to make a function continuous.